So hi guys, my name is Saibal Gupta and you are watching your favorite channel, that is the Bangalorean Bong. And what I'm going to do today, that I'm going to unbox this. So what is there inside? And that is an helmet, okay, to protect my head. Okay, so I was planning to have an entry level helmet, so that's the reason I was thinking to go with the AXOR. Okay, so I had three helmets in my plan. One is SMK, second is MT, and third is AXOR. So yes, AXOR was giving me a better offer, and as well as it was giving me such a wonderful design. So that's the reason I was thinking to go with AXOR. So let's unbox it, okay, with this knife. I think you haven't seen this knife before as well. So yeah, it's a new, because the knife what I used to do to unbox, so it is still there in Bangalore. So let's do unbox with this knife to this box. So if I'll talk about the packaging purposes, then I don't like the packaging. By the way, I forgot to mention that I bought it from Amazon. Let's take an ad break. The video has been sponsored by Chai Chula, which is one of the finest tea point in Asansol. So those who are from Asansol, please visit Chai Chula, which is nearby MRF showroom, where you can get various kind of tea and also beverages. And I must tell you that you will like it. So yes, first of all, I just want to tell you one thing, that in every Durga Puja I used to buy some new things. So for an example, I bought this watch in 2 years back in Durga Puja, and now this is the one. Okay, so let's unbox it. So I have to be very careful. So what I got, this is the helmet, okay, with the bag. So is there anything I'm getting inside? No. So there's a silicone gel, I believe, so that it will help my helmet to protect from humid. Whoa. So this is the one. Okay, so what I'm getting here, some sticker work, and this is the wind blaster. Okay, so which I need to add it over here or attach here. So there's a small protector here, so I need to remove it or peel it off.
One hour later.
Okay.
3 hours later. Few inches later.
This is it. Okay. This is another protector, and inside it you can see that, okay, so there's another wind blaster inside the helmet. It's a big one. Yeah, so this is the helmet is all about. Okay, so first of all, I just want to tell you one thing, that the build quality is absolutely spot on. Okay, so there is air intake over here, so you can turn it on, and you can see that there's a air exit point. Okay, and probably you can see that there is a additional glass is there, so which you need to operate it from this button. So you can see there, if I'll just push it backwards, so the glass will come up. If you don't want this glass, so you can just push it like this way, automatically the glass will go off. And this glass is having anti-scratch glass, and as well as fog protector is also installed over there. So this is it. So you can see the well foamed, well cushioned, and this is the chin protector as well. Okay, and what you will get it, so you will get it this wind blaster. So I want to install it here in a back. You can use either this one or that one, the small one or big one, it depends on you. So I like the design of this big one, so I'm going to do that now. So it's properly locked. There's a 2 hole over here as well. You will get this kind of sound which will give you confidence that yes, it is properly protected. Okay, so now let's wear it. Okay, so what you need to do, because it's a tightly packed helmet, so what you need to do, you need to just make a space over here and just put it like this way. Okay, like this. It's very lightweighted, by the way, so you can see that this is the switch for this goggles. Okay, then you can write it like this way. It's easy, correct? So that's all, and this is the thing which I'm getting it with this helmet. One is the AXOR badging, okay, and the second one what I'm getting it, that the blood groups, okay, where you can actually this is the sticker, okay, so which you can actually stick these things into your helmet. So let's end up this video, okay, and please comment in the comment section that how do you like it, okay. And I bought it in Durga Puja offer and I'm getting it in 4,500 around, okay. So this is that all about, but the actual price of this helmet is 4,999, and this sizes of this helmet is large, okay. You need to measure your head and then you can go with this helmet, okay. So the standard size is large, okay. So this is how it's gonna be. So that's all my end, guys. So I have to end up this video with a sweet note. So thank you so much, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, that is the Bangalorean Bong, and please hit the like button if you like this video and hit the bell icon so that you will get the earliest notification. So that's all from my end, guys. So I have to end up this video with a sweet note. Take care, bye bye, have blast and ride safe.